Good morning, everybody. We are here. We're looking good today. Beautiful outside. I don't know if I'm gonna make it out of the dungeon though. We get 73 degrees and sunny on the what is it called? Thermometer, radar, computer. I don't know what we got. But anyway, it's looking good. I do know we have Frank first in the chat. Mr. Normus, a close second in the chat. Orion the Rapper, what's going on? Dark Bro, man, you've been MIA lately. It just feels better when you're in here. I don't know. Michael Allen, what's going on? Michael Allen, Ryan the Rapper. We got Dark Bro Frank, Michael, Dark Bro Forrest, Dark Bro Michael, Dark Bro Lonnie, Dark Bro Michael, Dark Bro Peter, Michael, Nigev. Good morning to you, Nigev. Old Rounder, Forrest, Opto, Suzuki, Dark Bro, all of you guys. Ray, so glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's happening so far. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $5.03 today. Whoo, down just slightly. GameStop, down 4%, $20.23. Shiba Inu Coin, 24.47 right now, bouncing back a little bit off the recent lows, but still down 3.5% on the day today. Ethereum, 38.15. Ethereum coming down hard off that, testing the $4,000 mark. 39.45 is what it made it to. Pulled back pretty heavy, trying to bounce back right now, but showing a little bit of confusion as both these moving averages are about to, well, they're converging, but they're about to cross. So we're going to see where we're going, if the 50 moves up above the 200, or of course if we fall back down and move lower. NASDAQ doing very, very well today. Man, NVIDIA. Did you guys see NVIDIA? NVIDIA, I believe, I don't know where it's at right this second, but was above $1,000 per share this morning. $2.5 trillion valuation, bumping the market up beautifully, and the NASDAQ sitting 0.83% higher on the day today. Dogecoin, 16 cents, down 4.5%. Ethereum, 38.18. Shiba Inu Coin, 24.52. Bitcoin sitting at 68,000 flat. SPY sitting at 531. QQQ, 4.59. Mullen 4.17, down 4.5%. Sundial, down 5.5%. Wow, man, 5.12. 222 on Sundial. Netflix sitting at 641. MPW, 526. MPW up 6%. Nice little spike right there. Tesla, $177, coming down about 1.5%. Amazon, 183, and Apple, 189. I want to know what you guys think. Is NVIDIA going to flip Apple? Apple's at 2.9 trillion. NVIDIA was at 2.5 trillion when I looked this morning. Let me know if you guys think NVIDIA will flip Apple or not. In the meantime, we're going to watch Bitcoin in the middle left-hand side of the screen. And we're going to watch Shiba Inu Coin in the middle right-hand side of the screen and see how those guys play out there. Nice banana. Opto, thank you very much, man. Hero, MIA, almost DOA. Oh, I hope not, Dark Bro. My gosh, I can make that happen. I don't know what you can make happen, but make it happen, man. Don't worry about it, okay? All right. Can you please look at Roaring Kitty? It's 100x in less than a week. Yeah, we can look at Roaring Kitty, man. Roaring Kitty, I believe it's a Solana token out there. I don't think it's nearly going to get any of the attention that it was getting last week, though, so please watch out for that. Another one, dude. Zach. The Zach Morris coin. I saw that kid out there complaining on X that he needs to get into the crypto game. And he launches his token, and it's up like 100x since the launch. And I watched him launch it, too. Didn't get in, but absolutely kicking myself for not getting in. Let's see. So, Clearbro was NVDO Cash Cure puts $38 for tomorrow. Yeah, I think they're safe as well, Frank. I think they're safe as well. Everybody wish Richie well. Also, vote on Clay's poll. Yeah, guys, if you want to go out to X, right? Thank you, Michael Allen. Mike, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate that. I want to say this. So if you guys do, I'm going to do a tier list video for just having some fun with it, right? It's going to be completely positive. I may add some interesting ones to put down in like tier D, tier F, just to have some fun with it. But no matter where I rank everybody on this list, right, it is going to be with the intention to build them up, right? And it's all going to be positive. So if you have anybody else that you watch in terms of cryptocurrency, stocks, finance, make money online, anything like that, anything kind of money related, if you guys watch anybody, just go onto my X, right? And all you got to do is tag them. Hopefully, you can make my work a little easier. Tag them and just link their channel or something. But tag them out on X. I'm asking you guys, whoever you like, whoever you want to give a shout out to, because the plan is to rank maybe, I don't know, maybe 10 channels or something, and have a little bit of fun with that, kind of featuring them and ranking them. But I do want to give a shout out to everybody that is tagged. So if you're tagging, Richie's Playing Talk, right? Richie's Playing Talk. He's got 240 subscribers. I don't know if everybody thinks of Richie as a crypto YouTuber and so on, but that's what I'm talking about, right? So if you want to tag somebody that's trying to make a go of it, if you want to tag somebody who might be the underdog or whatever, tag them. Let them get a shout out. Let's make that happen, man. So Mike, absolutely. And then Richie, right? He posted it on a video. You guys can go watch the video. But from what I gathered, I think Richie's going through dialysis right now, because he stated that he's got acute liver failure, and they're basically trying to keep him alive. So I think that he is going through dialysis, and he might be going through dialysis every other day or something. That's me making an assumption based on, what he was talking about in terms of medical conditions and things like that. So I don't exactly know if he's going through dialysis or not. That's just my assumption based on what he was saying. But yeah, man, he said that he's got acute liver failure. They're trying to keep him alive long enough to get him on a donor list, and I got a pretty tough go of it right now, I guess. So go out there, show the dude some love, subscribe to his channel, leave some comments, hit him up on X. Fill the dude with nothing but positivity right now, because nobody, first of all, it's tragic, man. Nobody deserves to have to worry about crap like Richie's going through right now. That's the last thing that anybody should ever have to worry about, and that's absolutely heartbreaking to see somebody that is a part of our community going through that. So do your best to build that man up. Do your best to fill him full of positivity, full of love. If you guys pray for Richie, and everything that he needs is taken care of and all of that. It's probably pretty hard for him to want to post YouTube videos or stay in touch and stuff like that. But, dude, I truly believe, right? I truly believe that the bros are essentially family, right? They're community. And to a certain degree, I wouldn't necessarily want to share all of my personal and private information with you guys and struggles and so on. But at the same time, I know, right, that there's 93 people in here. There's 100,000 subscribers. A lot of you guys are very, very good people in the sense that you do care, and you want to see people built up. You want to see people prosper, and you want to fill others with positivity, love, and respect. So go shout out to Richie, man. Go tell the dude you love him. Go tell him he had an impact on your life. Go tell him that you're glad he's around, because I am, man. I am. I'm glad all you guys, even the trolls, right? Even most of the trolls, the trolls that just want to have a conversation, and the trolls that want to challenge, the ones that just want to troll and cause nothing but hardship and strife, they're idiots. But the rest of you guys that just want to troll and have some fun, you guys are awesome, man. So, yeah, definitely definitely go out there and show the dude some love. I see Forrest says, Levi, Tier Z. I will, yeah, man, maybe just a shout out or something, but I'm not going to be ranking anybody on that tier list in a negative connotation. Okay, so if they don't make the tier list, it could be because I don't necessarily like their content or whatever. But I will not be ranking anybody on that tier list in a negative light. Maybe they do different types of content than I would prefer to do. Maybe whatever. Maybe they're just small and they're growing and they're ranked a little lower. Maybe they're small and they're hustling like crazy and they're ranked at the top. All of these are a possibility. So, yeah, let's have some fun with that tier list, man. It's going to be all good. Shiba Inu Coin going bananas. Going bananas. He's got a nice banana behind him. Opto, absolutely, man. Let's check out Going Bananas. When Thune launched? Kalito, you got me. Oh, dang, I'm going to have to go look at this. Yeah, third to last video. It's the one that doesn't have a cryptocurrency or whatever in the title. It's just like May 16th in the title or something. I forget. How high could Pepe reach? Alex, man. I'm really starting to wonder if Pepe's going to flip SHIB. Okay, I'm really starting to wonder if Pepe is going to flip SHIB. Isaiah, thank you very much for the super chat. Isaiah, man, if you guys, oh, there it is. What's up, Moneymakers? Clay Bro, what's up? What's going on, Isaiah? Glad to have all of you guys in the chat, and thank you very much for that super chat this morning. Oh, the kitty's right here. Yeah, the kitty's right here. She's a good girl this morning, right? You going to be a good girl this morning? I think you're going to be, you want to come down here? All right, you can sit in my lap. She's going to be a good girl this morning. Johnny K, good morning to you, Johnny K. Thanks for being a Clay Bro, Richie. Absolutely, Suzuki, absolutely. What are your thoughts on Carrot? It's picked up some steam in the last 24 hours. It's for a Web3 game that had a rough spot, but they're cleaning things up. Yeah, I think we looked at Carrot a couple of weeks or a month ago, right? JB, we'll pull that up. Clearly, that's not a first swap on DEX tools. Ethereum gas fees are high. Is there any other way to cut gas fees on tokens that run up on Ethereum? Brian, I don't know what time you traded, but there's the only way you can cut those gas fees down is to wait until the GUI, however you say it, and the GWEI drops. And that typically drops at nighttime. So, like, I think 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. Eastern time. This cat is such a good cat. 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. Eastern time is typically the lowest on a daily basis. And then the same deal on, like, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So it's even lower on the weekends. Prior to the run-up 2 days ago in Ethereum, the gas fees were really low, man. It was costing like $6-7 a transaction. The GUI was down to like $8. But they are a little bit higher right now because Ethereum is getting so much attention. So the only way you can lower those gas fees is if you wait until like the middle of the night to trade when everybody in the world is sleeping. Oh, Isaiah, man, Isaiah. If you promise to watch the video that I'm going to post on DogeVerse this afternoon, I've got a launch date and I've got an end date for the sale of DogeVerse. You guys want to hear it? You guys want to hear the launch date and you guys want to hear the end date? The marketing company, I was talking to them this morning, and they got me the dates out there. So they're not updated on the website yet, but they did say that I'm allowed to announce them, and I'm going to be announcing it in the video, so promise to just watch the video at least, man. But if you guys want to load up on some more DogeVerse, you're going to have to load up very, very quickly here because it is going to be launching pretty soon. So let's see. We got 2 people that want to hear it. Anybody else? NVIDIA split coming up June 10th, 10 for 1. Can't wait to see what kind of premiums I can get for $10,000. Already recovered $38 from my $80 loss yesterday. That's what I'm talking about, Frank. Frank, you loading up on 100 shares of NVIDIA? Ooh, nice, man. Frank, dude, if you load up on 100 shares of NVIDIA, you could be killing it, dude. Bought more Sloth on a dip. I low-key wanted this to dip to buy even more. Yeah, Johnny K, man. Sloth on, I think, at 2.5 cents this morning. Let's see where Sloth is at. Showing 2.7 right now, but I think it was at 2.5. Yeah, 2.5 cents. Slothana coming down here, holding up very nice. But, dude, it is attempting. So, I just say be a little careful on it. It is attempting to break down through that red line there, which is very, very strong support. So, just be careful with that. GUI. Dude, JB, are you messing with me on GUI? It just doesn't sound right with the way that it looks. Tomorrow's the day. No more working for me. Never imagined. 5 years ago, I was broke. Behind on bills, mortgages. Today, I have no bills, invested, and ready for fishing every day. Thank you, crypto. Lonnie, man, you have no idea how happy that makes me, man. You have no idea how happy that makes me. The best part is, no bills, invested, and ready for your dream life there. Lonnie, congratulations to you on that. I think that's incredible. All right, so two of you guys want to know when the launch is. So let's talk about it. He says, Clay, let's hear it. That's okay. They'll allow you to announce it, but then they'll call you a liar when it doesn't happen. Suzuki, man, I don't think so. So the marketing company that I was talking that I do these videos with, they were telling me, I don't know, it was probably last week or maybe even 2 weeks ago, and then he just confirmed the date with me today and said that I can announce it. So I doubt he'll be changing it because it's the same thing that he told me week and a half, 2 weeks ago. So the sale is going to end for DogeVerse. The sale is going to end on June 3rd. So you are going to be able to continue buying DogeVerse through June 3rd. If you buy, please, guys, you have no idea how much it helps me if you guys buy through those links so these guys continue to sponsor videos and so on, right? Even if you buy and your intentions are to sell immediately upon the launch, knowing that you're essentially going to not really make a ton of money, but you're not going to lose any money either, it is literally life-changing. So thank you guys very much for utilizing my links when you do it. The sale is ending, and I don't know what time. So if you guys do plan on buying more or stacking up a little more DogeVerse, I would say have that stuff done by June 1st, June 2nd, just because I don't know if it's going to be June 3rd at midnight. I don't know if it's going to be June 3rd, June 2nd at midnight. You know, I don't know exactly, because a lot of these projects are out of Europe, and they go on UTC time and stuff like that. So June 3rd, last day for the sale. That's when it ends. So I would recommend having your stuff together by June 2nd or before. And then the launch date is right now slated for June 5th at 10 a.m. UTC time, which is 6 a.m. Eastern time. So if you guys are trying to trade the launch, if you're trying to wake up early, I mean, if you're not in the U.S., you clearly don't have to wake up that early. But if you guys are looking for that, June 5th at 6 a.m. Eastern time is when DogeVerse is going to launch. So very excited. I'm looking forward to it. This one's been going on since April 8th. So it's going to be about a 2-month pre-sale and then launch day. Hopefully all of you guys make some money. If you want to play the volatility, right? Remember, the launch typically has done very, very well. You got a lot of people who panic and so on. So play it however you guys want. You kind of know the way that I'm going to play it, but you should never play something the way that I'm going to play it. Play it the way that you want to play it, right? Let's see. Can you please tell me which broker this is? It's no brokers. Dex Tools is on the top. Webull is a broker, and it's the two that are in the middle of the screen right there. Waiting for everybody to take their profits from all of these other meme coins and then invest in Shiba. They very well could, Giovanni. Dark Bro! When seal launch. Got $500 worth. Also, use the link. Dark Bro, man, thank you very much for that. I do not know. So Solana, I believe, is like $2-3 million right now. I don't know when their launch is going to be yet. They probably still have a several $1 million that they're going to try and raise before they end up launching. So no dates on that one. I don't know when they're going to be doing, but since DogeVerse is I guess wrapping up here, you guys got June 3rd is the last day. So what, roughly 10 days left to buy in if you want to buy in, and then the June 5th launch. I'm excited for it, and I will, because a lot of you people might be your first time buying a pre-sale. You're not 100% sure how to claim. I plan on waking up. I've already got an alarm set. I plan on waking up at about 5 o'clock. Hopefully I can get a shower, get ready to record and all of that stuff. I plan on claiming is basically as soon as I possibly can. So hopefully it's right at 6 a.m. Eastern time. And then posting the video simply on how to do it. I don't know if I'm going to sell my DogeVerse. If it rips up, 2-3x, I probably will sell it. Right? I'll probably trade it. But you guys know that already, right? We've already gone over this plan and all of that. So hopefully you guys have zero issues claiming. If you bought and you did not use my link, I am very, very sorry. But there's so many scams out there. That's why I tell you guys, please use my link. Because you may have pulled up the DogeVerses.com instead of the DogeVerse. And you may have gotten ripped off. If you staked or plan on staking your DogeVerse, you're going to have to wait 7 days to unlock it. So these are all things that you need to consider when you go to claim and so on. But hopefully, man, it's just a nice, slow, steady increase after launch there. Suzuki! Thank you very much for grabbing that green name, Suzuki. I love it, man. You look better in green. You truly do. Thank you very much for that. And hopefully you guys are all welcoming Suzuki back to the Green Bros. Have you seen Turbo? It exploded the last couple of days. No, the last time I remember seeing Turbo was when it was coming up on resistance, right? We looked at it on Dex Tools, and it was coming up to resistance. Let's see if it was able to break through. Ooh, I think it broke through. 58% gain on the day today. Holy smokes, man. Yeah, okay, so this is what we were looking at. Dude, I will tell you, okay? This is dead to a T. What we were talking about, Giovanni. Dead to a T. Coming up here, we had this resistance line. Oh, Dex Tools, I love you. We had this resistance line on a little bit more conservative area of the resistance there. Wick, kind of the candle body here, and it broke through that. Once it broke through kind of this all-time high, not all-time high, but recent high right here with the wick, that's when it exploded yesterday. And it's continuing on. Where is it going? Dude, it's going right back up to the all-time high. You can see it, okay? Now, the thing you notice, though, this is up to the wicks. The candle bodies are back down here. If it gets rejected around the current level, see these candle bodies right down here? It might not make it all the way up to the wick. So please be aware that if it starts to pull back, you are already excessively off this very aggressive trend line, and you are like ridiculously off of this conservative trend line. So, dude, if you are still in Turbo, watch this line. Watch its current action. If it breaks through an all-time high of 0026, no resistance on the chart, right? Ethereum is soaring right now. Pepe is soaring right now. These Ethereum tokens could continue to move higher as long as people are greedy and as long as people are excited about Ethereum and the tokens on the Ethereum network. If it starts to get rejected, holy smokes, dude, don't ride it all the way back down from 0025, 0026, all the way back down here to 00005. Okay? It's a 5x increase off of the ascending trend line. Don't ride that back down, man. Clay King gift memberships. What's going on? Suzuki, I actually have no idea what's going on. Is it you or what? I don't know what it says. A lot of AI out there, and I used your link. Jeremiah, very, very good, man. Thank you very much. Oh, Wiener Dog AI. Yes, Wiener Dog AI is another one. I don't know when the launch date of Wiener Dog AI is going to be. A lot of these projects raise between $10 and $15 million. And Wiener Dog AI, I believe, is at like 2.7 million right now. So they may have several weeks. I don't know if they're gonna like ramp it up a little bit or not, but they may have several weeks to a month or two before they start to approach those levels. We should get ready for them to potentially launch soon. Basic question: why do people buy these pre-sales and then just dump the coins after the launch? Wouldn't it be easy to get the coin? Yes. So Lonnie, 100%. Now, I can't answer for why they buy into the pre-sale. They truly might just have some sort of a FOMO into it as to why they're buying into the pre-sale. But I believe that I can answer why they sell. Okay? And, are you crazy? I was like, what the heck was that? I didn't even know she was in here. I believe I can answer why they sell. So they do buy in, and for whatever reason, they spend the next 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks or whatever it is that takes the pre-sale worrying. Did I just buy into a scam? Because there are countless idiots in the comment sections of YouTube videos, in the comments of X posts, and constantly saying scam, 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 scam. No reason for it, just scam. I actually think that they might be like competitors to these tokens that are just like hiring bots to scream the word scam. And they convince people that it is a scam. I guess people are highly influenced. but they convince people that it's a scam. So on launch day, they say to themselves, oh my gosh, I can't believe that DogeVerse launched. Oh, I got to get out of this token. I thought it was a scam. And they start hyperventilating, and they immediately sell down. You would be correct. If they're that worried about it launching, they should not be buying in, okay? You're 100% correct. If they're that worried. I think they start to worry, though, because of all of the, honestly, libelous slanderers that are in the comment sections of X posts, videos, and so on. And they truly do cause damages, right? I have no doubt in my mind that if I took these people to court that were saying I'm a scammer and that these projects are scams, it would easily be proven the amount of damages, because for everybody that they cause to sell or everybody that they cause not to buy in is a monetary damage. So they cause a lot of damage by just repeating the word scam, and then these people sell off. I don't know. I don't know why they do that. Dude, look at you. A looked coin potential. What? Dude, look at you, looked coin. Say that again. I know I missed something, man. What do you think about Pepe? Hey, dude. I don't know, man. I did a video on Pepe this morning, looking really, really solid. I think Pepe might have a chance of flipping SHIB, dude. It's going up as everything else was going down. It's crazy, man. I took profits on Pepe. No FOMO here. May be a while before we see these highs again. Hey, Daryl, you could absolutely be right, man. You could absolutely be right. So, very nice. We're Cata on the charts today. I think it's still sitting at 57, 58 points there. I didn't look at it on the computer today, but I did look at it on my phone when I woke up. Cata. All right, Cata at 58. But I did see Cata posted on their X, I think yesterday, and dude, I don't know. Okay, I don't know. Cata posted on their X yesterday that they are gearing up to launch on Solana. Now, I think Pudgy might be the only one in here. My gosh, this cat is cute. I think Pudgy might be the only one in here with Cata. I am considering, but I don't know if I will. Because Cata is the... Well, no, I got Honorarium, too. I was going to say Cata is the only BNB coin I got. I have BNB, Honorarium, and Cata. And those might be the only Binance Smart Chain tokens that I have. I am considering either bridging my Cata over to Solana or selling my Cata on BNB and buying on Solana. You guys remember I moved my Solana over to USDC 2 days ago, maybe. So I'm sitting on some stables on the Solana network, and they are gearing up to launch on Solana. And I prefer Solana over BNB, so I'm considering making that move as well. BNB over to Solana. Isaiah, thank you very much for the super chat. Isaiah, you're the man, dude. Absolutely appreciate what you're doing out there. Thank you very much for the super chat, man. I don't see a comment with it, so hopefully you're just being very, very nice there. I respect that you come on here and show that you're trading live. A lot of traders want you to join their Discord. Okay, so yeah, man. I actually don't show my trades live, right? I want to remain as, I guess, uninfluential as possible, but I have no problem discussing the trades that I am making, talking about trade setups, and so on. I don't want people out there copying my trades. I think that is, dude, the only reason you should be investing is so that you can achieve financial freedom, right? And how would you achieve financial freedom if you made money, and the only reason you made money is because you bought and sold what I was buying and selling? That has nothing to do with you being free. You're just simply copying. So I don't actually go out and buy live. If I'm gonna buy something, it's cat, man. If I'm gonna buy something, I'll talk about what I'm gonna buy, and I'll make the trade in between lives, or whatever, and we can analyze any situation. But I do want to let you know that I don't actually click the button and trade while I am live here. This cat's gonna knock this stuff over, man. She's so stinking cute. So stinking cute, my gosh. Been watching you for years. Has Shiba Inu gone up yet? LG 24 or 24/7 Productions. Yeah, it's gone up a little. A lot? It depends on your time frame, but not over the last couple of years. We like Shiba, we like Kendu as well. Most definitely sold. It's a meme coin. I never hold them long term. There you go, Lonnie. Mankey, look at strong. Okay, we can look at that one as well. Daryl, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that, man. Oh my gosh, Daryl, congratulations on the trade as well. That is awesome. It's Suyat, respect, brother. 100. Thank you very much, Suyat. Is this your first time in here? Just throwing a super chat like that, man. Thank you very much for that. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it because you don't have to send a super chat, but I do thank you very much for it. And you know what? I noticed a lot of people have Discords. A lot of people do charge for stuff like that, and a lot of people do very well with their Discords. I'm not gonna lie, right? I would love to have a Discord that's bringing in $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 a month, like some of these other people out here. Clearly not jealous of that, but I think that that's absolutely incredible, because my belief is that if somebody joins the Discord and they're like, well, this Discord isn't providing me any information, they're just going to cancel their subscription, right? They're not going to continue to stay in that Discord. So these people that are able to build up groups and memberships like that, they're doing something right. Okay, even if they don't have the best or whatever, they're doing something right that these people are willing to stick around. So I think that is awesome as well. But right now, man, everything's free. We're hanging out, we're having fun. Dude, you remember the main actor on Looper? I don't think that I've seen Looper. By the way, look at what's going on here, right? Look at what's going on here. It's just, she's like, just inching her way. She's just inching her way across the desk, man. She started over here, and then she's inching her way over here now. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure they're gonna like that, right? Pretty sure they're gonna like that. Yup. This is the cutest little cat ever, huh? Yeah, you are. All right. How am I supposed to do a live stream when this cat... Look at this. How am I supposed to do a live stream when this cat's just like, pay attention to me. Pay attention to me, please. What are you doing? Now she's clicking the mouse, man. Now she's clicking the mouse. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so now you guys know why I think she's so stinking cute. Let's see. YouTube showed me a join button as if I wasn't a member already. Suzuki, YouTube's no idea what you got going on right now. Jeremiah, thank you very much for the super chat. Jeremiah says, looks like crypto legislation is being talked about. Might be the best time to hold and to be alive. By the way, I staked all my wiener dog just because I love y'all. Very nice. Now she's knocking stuff off the desk. Very nice, Jeremiah. And if you're staking your wiener dog AI, you're actually earning 357 or 375 annualized percent interest right now, or annualized interest right now, which is awesome, Jeremiah. You know, if you do want to trade, you're gonna have to wait to unlock that. But dude, I mean, I don't know if you're gonna hit, and I don't know when you got in, but staking or stacking a 300 plus 400 plus percent gain is very nice in terms of staking interest. Mankey was deviating from its downward trend, possibly an upward movement. Yeah. We got to pull that up real quick because you guys were talking about that a minute ago. Kitty, Mankey. Yes, Mankey, Maneki. Let's try to pull that up. Gen G! What's going on, Gen G? Just saw your name in the chat right there. Wow, 30% gain today. I want to show you guys Zach as well. Zach's probably trending here. We'll see. No, it's not trending. All right, so you could be right. Yes, you could be right here. It was falling down for the last month or so, and over maybe the last week, it started to come back up. But you guys have already seen it on the screen. Can it break back through this level of resistance? This is the third attempt since it fell down. If it can, you probably got a nice gain ahead of you to retest all-time highs. If it can't, first level of support is going to be down in this area right here. Of course, if it falls through that, you could be falling back to the recent low. Back down here in this area. So this is what you're watching on Mankey right now. Suzuki! Thank you very much. Suzuki throwing out 10 green names. Oh my goodness. Suzuki, man. Hey, you guys better be throwing your thank yous out to Suzuki right now. Dead serious, especially if you guys are brand new to the live stream. This dude just threw out 10 green names, 10 memberships. I think that is awesome. Brian grabbing a green name. Let's go me grabbing a green name. Crypto Con Raul Valdez Reyes grabbing a green name. Sam L grabbing a green name. Big D. We got Adam, Falling Down Farms, Werner R, Mark L, Missing Link. Thank you very much, Suzuki, for those 10 green names. Even if you didn't get one, guys, even if you have a green name already, those aren't free. Right? So please say thank you to Suzuki, man. I think that's absolutely incredible. I love seeing all the green names in the chats. So thank you very much for that, Suzuki. Oh my gosh. Clay, good to see you, brother. What's going on? Justin, glad to have you in here as well. Brother, I have savings and I want to start trading and retire my father. What'd you say on what coin I have to invest my savings? Love from Pakistan. Ansar, man. Thank you very much for being in here from Pakistan, and I love your intentions, right? I love your intentions. You've got some savings, and you want to be able to retire your dad. I will say this, man, okay? I don't know the size of your savings, but I would never want to see, you lose that money, especially over something so important. So I think that you should be looking at stuff that is much more conservative. The larger cap coins, so that you don't have to worry about waking up tomorrow and your money not being there. Now, if you get to the point where you really are able to risk it, I personally think, and this is just my opinion, I personally think that a lot of the presidential tokens and coins here in the United States, the current president and the president that's going to be running again for the presidential election here. YouTube doesn't like me to name these things. I don't know. They start to think you're a political channel if you do, which is why. One guy's last name starts with a T. The other guy's last name starts with a B. I think that those tokens could do very, very well this year based on the amount of attention that they are going to be getting. So if you're willing to take a risk, I think that those are excellent kind of risks to take. They're going to get free marketing. Beyond that, man, if you're not willing to take a risk, go for something more conservative. Go for the Bitcoins. Go for Ethereum. Go for Solana, XRP. The larger coins that are out there that have been proven, that have been established, and are less likely to just disappear tomorrow morning when you wake up. Jag says, what's up, Clay? Sitting on $1 trillion, waiting on that bull run. You know what I'm sitting on? You don't even have to ask. Crypto to the moon and beyond. Jag, man. Very, very nice. And I hope, dude, that golly, man, this cat's gonna knock over everything. I hope that everything you guys are sitting on absolutely rips to the moon, man. All right, I'm leaving Ohio. I'll lean on the air horn for you, Clay. Jeremiah, man, thank you very much. Make sure that you blast that horn as loud as you can so that I can hear it, man. I hear you, Lonnie, that everything is hot right now. Meme coins. Everything is hot right now. Guys, we got nothing but good. What's the bad news for the crypto market out there right now? I honestly, I can't think of any bad news for the crypto market. She's knocking everything off the table. Oh my goodness. She's crazy. Zebic Network, please tell. I don't know anything about Zebic Network. Joe B. Coin went straight up. Yeah, Giovanni, man. I'm telling you. Are you talking about Geo Bowden? Oh, this one. This is, oh my God, dude. This was at 9 cents last night. Okay, it's still at 9 cents. Dude, this token, I watched this token launch. He posted on his X account. Let's see if he's got his personal X on here. Okay, no, he does not have his personal X on here. But Zach Morris. I mean, this is Zach Morris. This is the guy from Saved by the Bell. If you guys aren't familiar, he buys a bunch of penny stocks. He buys a bunch of, meme stocks and makes a bunch of money in the stock market. Recently got in trouble for pumping and dumping, right? But posted he had a great lawyer who got him off out of trouble with the SEC, and it was kind of bragging about that. I'm not gonna say on screen what he said he was missing out on in terms of crypto. You guys can see it on his X account if you want, but he's like, yeah, I need to get into the crypto game. So this dude starts his own coin about a week and a half ago, and I watched him launch it because I follow him on X, and I was watching him complain about getting left behind in a lot of cryptos. This dude comes out here, and let's look at the hourly. Right, this dude comes out here, and on the hourly chart, you can see that this token launched, and nobody really has the potential to get in like on the minute of launch. Very, very small buys typically drive the price higher. So you should never really look at like this first candle as a possibility of getting in. But here, absolutely, right? You're talking 3 zeros and a 9 would be an absolute possibility of getting in on Zach Coin, because it traded at that level for several hours. 3 zeros and a 9 down here. It's at 9 cents now. That would have been a 100x increase since May 16th. And I watched this token launch. It was trending up here on the top of DEX tools. 3 zeros and a 9. A 100x increase to where he's at now with $1.5 million in the liquidity pool and nearly a $100 million market cap. Guys, man, there's a lot of opportunity to make a lot of money out there. Man, what's your thoughts on VVS Finance? Isaiah, okay, VVS, I do not own any VVS Finance, but if you're talking about VVS Finance, the token itself, I think it's got a lot of potential, right? This is one that we looked at a lot with Tectonic last year, maybe. And VVS Finance is a decentralized finance platform. If you guys believe that decentralized finance is the future, VVS Finance could absolutely rocket higher. If you think that governments are essentially going to work to shut down or too tightly regulate decentralized finance, that banks are the only path forward, I might stay away from the decentralized finance platforms. But right now, way too many zeros and a 3. The price is essentially lower than ever, and potentially giving you, I guess, higher rewards than ever. But my thoughts are this decentralized financial sector is going to be completely up to what I guess regulators view as competition and what regulators view as a threat to the current financial system. So right now, $175 million, it's a decent market cap, and I don't think it's going to be on their radar as kind of like a threat at $179 million market cap. But that would be the way that I view any of the decentralized finance platforms. Will it be viewed as friend or will it be viewed as foe? And if it's viewed as foe, man, I would watch out. $13 was my entry on Solana. Now I stake. It's on Soulflare and make a yield. What's your yield on Solana, man? I think Phantom Wallet. There's several places that you can stake for about a 7% return, which is not bad, man. Come look at Hank. I missed the launch. I saw it at a $100,000 market cap, but it's volatile. All right, let's check out Hank. Hank here, $100,000 market. It is volatile, man. Down 30% today. 9x gains there. This is very volatile, man. dude, this might not be a bad one because it is very, very volatile. Could be a nice short-term trade for you, but it is at a level of support right here. If it falls through that, you might be coming back down to here, but you do have an ascending trend line as well that shows you this level might be a decent buy. So you got that ascending trend line taking place. I don't even know if you can... I mean, maybe if you're counting those dips as just below the trend, you could go with that line. Or you could hit this up right here. Either way, you're essentially right there at that ascending trend line and the horizontal trend line. So could be decent in this area right here. If you guys are looking at Hank, I believe on Solana, right? Yeah, Hank on the Solana network could be something good. Dark Bro, thank you very much. Did you send that in a super chat the first time, or did I not say that? Oh no, dude, you didn't have to send a super chat. I saw the first one. Hey bro, check out Hank on Solana. Sold $100,000 market cap. Last of the the contract address TDQY for clarification. I do have the right one up, right? TDQY. Just check it. TDQY, yeah, it's got the right one up there. Yeah, Dark Bro, it could be a decent buy at that level. You got both horizontal support and the ascending trend line support. Let's see. You got it when everybody else said it was done, and that is an excellent time to get in, man. A risk, but an excellent time. These ETFs are opening the door for regulation. Not a fan of any government involvement. Yeah, Daryl, you know what? I agree to a certain extent. I don't think governments will end cryptocurrency. So even if the regulation that they come up with here in the United States is too tight, the coins are just going to move overseas, right? Which is what the entire problem is. There's a lot of money in crypto. And if the United States forces them out, that's a lot of tax dollars that they're not going to see. That's a lot of jobs that they are not going to see. It's just a lot of money that they are never going to see if the regulations are so tight that these companies go elsewhere. So the idea is to embrace it. How can we safely embrace the cryptocurrency market so that they can make the money off of it, right? And I'm hoping that's the direction they go with it. But you're right, man. Smarted up after losing my shirt on Luna. Lonnie, very good deal, man. Crypto Conrad Valdez Reyes, man's name is like a walk-in ad. Can I call you ABC? Yeah, I think you can call him ABC. You can call him whatever you want. I'm a huge tectonic holder and VVS. There you go, Lonnie. Is super took a moment. Yeah, it was just late. Oh, gotcha. Super chat took a moment to get over there. Yeah, my bad. My bad on that, Dark Bro. I thought you were saying super T. I can't say that word. Super T took a moment. I thought it might have been ripping, but let's see where we're at here. We got it up. Still following this line, man. 42.41 right now. I don't know where my average is. I think my average might be at like 44 on Super T. So I am down just slightly on it. But, dude, if Super T rips up, game over, dude. I'm stacked on that. I'm stacked on it. You guys, you should know now. I'm stacked on it. I will definitely make a red candle when I go to sell Super T. Okay? Definitely going to make a red candle when I go to sell Super T. Bad news in crypto is that Shiba and Doge are the only meme coins not moving with the rest of the meme coin market. They will have their day. And you could be very, very right on that, Giovanni. Sports shorts. Pepe, baby. Pepe running today. One Clay Bro birthday live stream. Probably dang it, man. Is tomorrow Friday already? Smokes. Probably tomorrow, Kombu. Probably tomorrow. Because I think I'm going to celebrate my birthday on Memorial Day. Sunday's my birthday. No live streams on Monday, right? Because it is a holiday. The markets are closed. I'm going to take a day off from the lives. So probably tomorrow, man. Dang. That's... Dude, I am very, very busy right now. Very busy. I didn't even realize where this week went, man. I've been doing so many videos, and Oh, golly bum, dude. It's crazy. Good time to invest in Shiba and Doge. No one is talking about them. That's when you buy. It could be a very good time, Giovanni. You're right. Hey, I want to check another stock. LDOS provides defense, intelligence, and civil and health services. All right, LDOS. Let's take a look, man. LDOS. Leidos Holdings. Dang, dude, you find some nice winners here, man. Well, dude, this graph since 2014 looks phenomenal. Yeah. Dude, I got nothing but nice things to say about this stock here. Okay? $20 billion market cap. They clearly got it going on. This is a monthly graph. This stock has essentially done nothing but make people money over the long term. Okay? Now, you do have a small 1% dividend yield. I would imagine they may grow their dividend here. But the only thing I got to say about it, okay, it is running, and it is running fast right now. But 2019 to essentially 2024, it ranged in this channel right here. It finally broke out. There's no technical resistance on the chart. So unless these guys come out with bad news, you're probably going to be making money. Why would all of a sudden people decide to sell? So unless they got bad news, you're probably going to be making money. But as soon as people decide to sell, the next and really only level of support that you have is all the way back down here at $106. And you would not want to risk a 33% decline to come back down to this level here just to range between 85 and 100 again for maybe another 4 years. So if you're in it and it starts to pull back, consider this support level. If you're thinking about buying, I'm okay with you guys chasing gains, okay? But if you're thinking about buying, you're thinking about chasing gains here, you got to be a little bit more aggressive in the sense that you could buy in as it's rising, but you only want to stay in as it's rising. If it starts to pull back on you, I wouldn't take the risk of losing money there. But, man, if you're in it for the long term, if you're just willing to hold, dude, this is a phenomenal long-term graph. So, very, very nice. Those are the lines that I would be looking at on Leidos there. Head back in from the lunch break. Very nice, Lonnie. Lonnie, when you done, man? When's your last lunch break ever? I've been up for weeks. This is my friend. My friend. Very, very nice, Alien. Dude, you're killing it, man. You're doing very good. Cool. Check it out. Is it phone friendly? There you go. Hey, bro. Check it. CCB on Solana. Super hype for this. Preacher. Yeah, CCB, man. Is this the cowboy one? Is this what you're talking about? Man, hold on. Messing with me over here. CCB, CCB, CCB. Coin Cowboys. I think this is the one you're talking about. Dex Tools is a little slow. Dex Tools just doesn't know. All right, hey, man, the good news is, we're looking at an hourly chart here, right? Coin Cowboys has been out for about a week or so. Had a very nice rally, taking it up to 002, which would be about a 3x gain from the current levels. Came back down. It didn't test this level of support perfectly, but is already trying to break back up. Now, you can see the green dotted line on the screen, and it's testing the lower end of these hourly candles right here. So, if it does break back up, it's got very nice volume today, $16,000 with only 288 holders. Is very nice volume. But if it breaks up from here, man, you could be testing the upper end of this resistance here for another 25% gain at like 88, 87 points per coin there. What you want to notice, though? Tiny market cap, man. Tiny market cap. And liquidity pool, tiny as well. So little buys, little sells. Don't go out there and own 50% of the liquidity pool because you guys dropped 10 grand in it or anything. But extreme early stages with a tiny little market cap on CCB there. Yeah, bro, community's blowing it up. I like it, preacher. I like it. Just got slammed at work listening, but everyone have a great day. Sandra, You as well. And you know what? Hopefully you get on top of that work, you get ahead of it, and you're not backed up. Getting backed up at work, man, is a mess. So stay on top of it. Don't feel frustrated or anything like that. And take the opportunity between the live streams today to get ahead of it so you can come back and join us for the afternoon live stream. Thanks for joining. Hope it gets a breakout soon. Me too, Preacher, because I want to see you guys making as much money as possible. Have a good day, y'all. Can't wait for the birthday stream tomorrow. Mr. Enormous. And you guys, dead serious, you might have to remind me that it's a birthday stream tomorrow. Way too busy to even remember that my birthday's coming up. CCB is 1000x gem on Solana. Hey, you know what? It could easily be 1000x gem because of its tiny market cap. All right, it's coins like that. They might fade out, they might die, but if you guys keep it up, if you keep pushing, if you keep pumping, $60,000 market cap. 10x takes you to 600. 100x takes you to 6 million. Dude, 1000x only takes you to a $60 million market cap. All right, so if you guys do it right, you can hit a $60 million market cap. Guys, it is 1 o'clock. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back this afternoon with more live streams. Unless, of course, okay, I plan on coming back. But unless, of course, I'm really trying to pump today so that we can have a little bit more fun tomorrow in the live streams. That's a possibility as well. So just keep your eyes out. I may utilize, with you guys talking about my birthday tomorrow, I may utilize the time to get ahead so that tomorrow we can just have some fun. And I don't have to worry as much about getting the sponsored videos and stuff done like that. But let's do some shout-outs and we'll be back a little bit later, man. Daryl, see you later. Lonnie, have a great one. Giovanni, see you later. Lonnie, Giovanni, Preacher, enjoy your afternoon. Woodyman, enjoy your day, Woodyman. I just see a timer on Doge. Did they update the timer? Dang it, man. If they updated the timer, that's kind of sucks because recorded a video that I was going to post in an hour and it didn't have a timer when I recorded it. Hold on. Dang it, man. Dang it. What would you guys do? I recorded the video. It's ready to go. It was scheduled for 2:30 since that's when I've been launching these videos. Now they update the website with a timer on it after I recorded the video. I'm gonna post it anyway. I can't help that they updated the website after I recorded the video. I'll just update you'll see the timer in the next one. Yes, I did not see that they had the timer on there. But apparently that just confirms what the marketing company was telling me this morning. Do you know when DogeVerse will be on Etherscan so I can add it? Brian, not until claim day, man. Not until claim day. Jeez. All right, yeah. Sandra, thank you very much for answering me. I think you're the only one that answered. Doppy Retro will live again in about 3 hours from now. So, post it. Alien, thank you. I recorded it, man. I can't help that they updated the website while I was live here. They want these videos scheduled and all that stuff. I got to make sure that I get them out. Expect me to do a video in like a half hour's time? I mean, I could, but nah, man. Thoughts on Wiener AI? We'll talk about it in the afternoon live stream, man. We'll do the shout-outs now. It's getting posted anyway. But dead serious, if you guys are interested in buying into DogeVerse, the timer is now counting down. So please, make sure you use my link. Help me out. Help yourself out so you don't have to worry about clicking on a scam or anything. Got 10 days until the sale is over. Then another 2 days until launch. So Shout out to you, Sandra. Enjoy your day. Get some work done. Come back this afternoon. Kombu, see you later. Preacher, Mr. Normus, have a great one. Chinawokarchi, have a great one. Kombu, see you later. Genji, see you later. We got Frank, man. Rock, paper, scissors, lizard spot. Doji, Joe, see you later, Joe. Brian, have a great one. SD, man. Alien, Jason, Preacher, Brian, Good News, Gary, New, Forrest, Daryl, Johnny K, Ovi, Stream, see you later, man. Doji, Old Rounder, Dappy, Sandra, Nathan, Saul, Sandra, Alien, Tyson, Ron, Nathan, Woody, DD214, Tyson, Good News, Gary, New, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.